All right. Good evening, traders. I mean, at the very first beginning, so today is the first day of the March. Today's market, I cannot say it's positive. I think it's kind of negative because the market trade back and retest 3940 level, and this level, break Friday's low, which trigger a lot of automatic selling at this point. 3939.05 was a low for today. The Friday's low is 394308. So today's trade are kind of negative for the overall market. However, the good news is out of the before the market close, the market kind of pulled back a little bit. I mean, try twice actually. The first time happened around 11:20, and then the second time happened around 2:50 afternoon. So this is so far kind of negative on daily chart. However, the bullish trend still exists for the day trading. So for swing traders, if you still want holding couple, known positions, you can consider entering some positions right here instead of just empty your position and put your stop loss somewhere around. Let me just give this daily chart lower a little bit. Maybe this 200 EMA still right here, so just a lower a little bit. Trying this kind of low, 3937, just 3 point below today's low. Not somewhere you might want to try to add some position and put your stop loss just over there. The risk reward ratio gonna be perfect. But the overall market so far looks quite a negative on daily and on 5 minutes, on 15 minutes, on 30 minutes time frame. All right. And yesterday actually I posted a couple my thoughts on TikTok, the videos, like what I think is the best trading state gonna be, and why most people doesn't fit to be a full time trader. Because the most clients I have to communicate with, they told me, hey, I want to be a full time trader because I think trading can help me making money, and if I leverage my buying power by some like from option like from the brokerage firms, therefore I think I can make more money. Actually, it's kind of hard. Okay, so I already said the reason I don't think full-time trader is not an option for most of people, for most investors, because quit a job to be a full-time trader, your expectation for trading will be much higher. Like for today, right? You think it's gonna long for today, however, the market drop, take you out, and then kind of not in your expectation. So some people might say, hey, I'm prepared. I can afford losing, all my money. So far, I put like $10,000 in the market. I think I can afford to lose them all. However, you can't. Okay, your you are tend to overestimate your short-term endurance, but underestimate your long-term endurance. So the market give you some sweet candy in 2 days, in 3 days. You think, hey, I'm the king of this market. I hold the secret key about this market. However, you don't. Okay, so you have to re-estimate your long-term endurance about this market. So can you stably generate income from this market, from day trading? If you can't, so please don't quit your job. Okay, just try some swing trading, possibly some trend. If you holding some position right here, take some profit here, add more here, and taking some profit somewhere around here. As we mentioned in this bar, this is very clear bar that I said possibly is trend reversal. All right, maybe it's not confirmed, but I said it might be a trend reversal bar. This kind of doji. this kind of shooting star doji. So that's my main points for most people. So here, I think it's not clear that we can add something because we cannot see this kind of long tail. This long tail kind of fail most people's, trust. Even for me, I add some shares right here. After I say this and this, I directly sold my positions where I added from here because I feel like instead of, give me just 1 second, let me just draw. Instead of the market trip back to this 8 and 21 EMA, the market did an opposite thing. So it's more like 8 and 21 EMA trading towards this price. So that's the reason I feel, hey, possibly this some shares I added here might be wrong. So I sold my shares where I added from here. So for this bar right here, I still can see some tech buyers get in this to around this 200 EMA areas. So that's somewhere I may want to see today whether they can hold or they're gonna keep dropping. Yesterday, I especially mentioned 200 EMA. This 3940 level might be crucial for the market because a lot of automatic selling stop orders are put in somewhere around here. So that's very crucial level. Yesterday, if you do automatic trading, you might be feel disgusting because this guy stop it out directly at the 3939 and directly pull back. That's kind of disgusting, right? Because your stop is exactly 3939, just 1 point below 3940. However, you cannot argue about that. You cannot, complain about, hey, why I stop out? Do I need to buy back? No, you don't. Okay, if you stop out by your stop loss, don't buy back immediately. Wait until market you see clear trend, you feel like you have confidence in, you feel like this, you know this market, you know the clear trend, then you buy back. Right now, no. Okay, it's kind of the opposite way about your trading system. You have to feel confident about your trading system. You feel it's right, just to do what I think is right. Okay, and so far for the it's 3 minutes, sorry about that, so 5 minutes. For the 5 minutes, actually, we see something quite interesting so far. Can you guys see this? Another triangle. Another triangle. You know, this is absolutely interesting. Likely, the market will break up. So that's the best scenario we are looking at. We're looking for. That's the best scenario for this overall market. But there gonna be another possibility, which is the market keep dropping and narrowing down this kind of thing and just dropping down, which means the market dropping down and retest 3940-ish because the volume for this bar, from what I see so far, is not big enough. And something interesting is, I think a lot of automated trading system kind of closed their trading orders here because you see the volume here is not big as well. So at the time somewhere, breakdown, the automatic trade system kind of shut down and didn't trigger any stop order. And sellers fighting that out and buy back, but still, going this kind of triangle way. It's kind of be it can be a positive sign for this market. So I mean, do not over panic if your position are very high. I mean, I don't know how high you guys have so far. I have 80%. So I'm still, positive on this market. I don't feel this market gonna be down in this kind of short way because on this daily chart, you guys can see the market is already in uptrend, right? So for a longer picture, let me just zoom this thing a little bit. This is high, pivot low, pivot high. That's kind of higher highs, you know, but then lower lows, right? And then lower highs. Something interesting here, higher lows and higher highs. So it's more like uptrend in my opinion. So this kind of way is more like reversal confirmed. That's why I'm saying multiple times. This kind of way is more like a trend confirmed. However, however, trend confirmed doesn't means you have to put everything in this market in this kind of short time period. You can wait until market correct back. So far, we can see this 200 EMA as far as the market didn't drop below this kind of way, which is 3764, the market is still going uptrend. So I know they're still like 200 points away from this kind of level. However, that's how trending, trend trading works. So if you're alongside of the trader, swing trader, you can try to add some position somewhere around here. I think that's kind of attractive way you can add something because it's more like 1 2 1 1 2 2. So I think you can add something here. All right. Talking about a couple hot stock in the market so far, Tesla. Tesla so far is kind of way more positive looking compared with spikes because we had some Tesla here before, and we taking some profits out of this kind of shooting star, and then we added something here because we said after this market trade back and holding up this 200 level, possibly Tesla will keep going up and try the next level, which was 340ish, which was a 200 EMA. However, so far, this guy is kind of moving, narrowing down, and moving sideways, going nowhere. If you kind of connect a trend line to this couple of days, you can still say it's a triangle. So it's more like the Tesla is also choosing direction in this kind of way compared to the spikes. So either go up or either go down. So two ways so far. That's for Tesla. Let's look at some cheap stocks. NEO. Oh, NEO is down. Okay. Most EV companies in China, NEO, Xiaopan, and Li, this three company, EV, yeah, Xiaopan. This guy looks better. I mean, from the chart talks. And Li, let's see, Li is way much better compared to those two. Possibly because the way they make cars. Okay, Neo is not looking good. I think there's a couple problems about Neo because their target. I think their target people are more like middle class, middle upper class in China, and their car compared Tesla, they are not competitive. And for the battery charge way, they prefer to change batteries instead of like faster charge or something else. So it's in my opinion, this kind of way for EV company might kind of affect their margin, you know, because battery is the most expensive part for EV for electronic vehicles. However, this guy choose to change battery for most cars. I mean, if you're owner for electronic vehicle, are you willing to change your batteries in 1 week with another battery maybe already been used for 1 year? Are you willing to do that? I don't think so. So that's the way how I feel this kind of thing might be a reason they are not selling as much as Lee and Xiaopan. So that might be a reason, right? So tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday, Neo will post their earnings, right? So for Neo's earning, I don't feel very positive. I mean, from this chart, money already choose their direction, right? Out of this bar, the money already choose their direction. They choose to going down. So the next level for Neo is right here, which around $8. That's a next level for Neo. You guys see? That's the next level for Neo. It's not that kind of positive. I mean, today we still have something interesting to looking at. Actually, just give me 1 second. Let's see. For tomorrow, actually, we have couple retailer, stocks to looking at for earnings. Kroger, Best Buy, Macy's, Broadcom, Costco, COST. Costco is actually interesting, I think. Costco. Let me see. Kroger. Costco. Macy. Costco is absolutely best among the three. Okay. Costco is absolutely the best. From the chart, close to the boarding band low, and still, you draw a line here and here, still choosing direction, and just simply use this as your stop low. For earnings, that might be a way. However, for long term, I think it's still the best, forecast among these three. Among Kroger, among Macy's, this one is still the best. Best Buy, I didn't see Best Buy a couple of years because I mean, after the Amazon coming out, I literally didn't go to Best Buy to buy my electronic devices. I don't know about you guys. I mean, for me, it's like that. I mean, Cyber Monday, Black Friday. Before Black Friday was really something. We have to stand out of the Best Buy and then waiting for get in and then buy a new PS. However, right now, no. Okay, so that might be a reason why this internet changes the whole retail market. However, Costco is still there. Their business models really works. Okay, compared to most retail companies. And today we also have Broadcom. Broadcom is absolutely positive, right? No matter from their earnings, no matter from the business models, I think this guy is absolutely positive from most side. I mean, still positive, right? And Dell, Dell, computer, still triangle setting, nowhere to go, kind of boring chart. AMD, that's the stock I know most about. AMD is positive, absolutely. In my opinion, actually, I recommended AMD a couple times. I think this is the best chip company so far. Compare Intel, compare Nevada, this one is absolutely the best. This way, I think this is more like a trap, a trap to trigger your selling order. However, this should be a buying order. So far, just hold this one, hold it, okay? Still uptrend, absolutely uptrend. So let's look at this way. Why is uptrend? Highs, higher high, that's a low, and this is absolute pivot confirm. So higher lows, all right? So absolutely uptrend. So holding this, okay? And the next level you are looking at for is gonna be this way, which is 104. That's the biggest resistance so far. The first resistance gonna be $88. After that, 104. So that's from the chart talks. And from the fundamentals, I think AMD is still, way more positive compared to Intel, compared to Nevada. I think they are very good. So it's you can hold this one if you have this. Okay. Do not panic by this bar. Means nothing. All right. This bar means nothing so far. This bar right here. This kind of shooting star with long selling tail means nothing. Going to 30 minutes. Still, it's a buy. Actually, in my opinion, it's a buy. I'll put in my stop loss right here. If I want to add some more positions right here, maybe $78 might be not that cheap. However, if I want to add my positions, I will put my stop loss here. All right. No problem, my friend. I feel possibly it's too late. I mean, in my opinion, I feel like it might be a good time to stream after the market close at night. People, after work, possibly going home and want to talk about the market, how the market goes. And from what I'm doing so far, I feel like it's better to just stream before market open. So possibly around 6:30, 6:40. That might be a better time compared to 10 p.m. So possibly too late. All right, if no more questions, that's it for today. And for spikes, I feel like it's still positive overall positive. All right, do not panic by this. If this 200 EMA doesn't broke, I mean significantly broke, this one will still going this way. So don't panic. All right, the Bollinger Band might possibly lower a little bit, but it's okay. Even you looking at a shorter, time frame, you consider this is a pivot. Still higher highs, higher lows. So do not panic. All right, hold your position if you think this market gonna be bullish. All right, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, just leave me messages. I will get back to you. All right, and feel free to click my profile and join my Discord channel. I will share my market opinion every day in my personal Discord channel. All right, have a good night, everybody. Bye bye.